How do you easily manage a large number of accounts while avoiding red flags and bans? AdsPower can assist you right away. Now, let's look at how to use AdsPower's magic. Login. Download the AdsPower app and log into your account. Create a new profile. Let's start creating a profile. You can choose either the Sun browser, a Chromium-based browser, or the Flower browser, a Firefox-based browser, to work with. Next, you'll need to choose the operating system and kernel version for the profile. We recommend to select an OS that matches your current device for better spoofing. Then add a proxy to this profile. Every time you launch this profile, it will show the visiting websites the IP address of the proxy you have added. You can continue to add an account of some platform and edit advanced fingerprints. Or you can simply stop here and finish creating a profile. You can always edit the information of your profiles after configuration. Open the newly created profile. You're all set for work now. Warm up the profile automatically. We offer a selection of automation tools: Facebook automation, RPA, and API. Take the RPA, for example. It's actually a tool that allows you to design any automation tasks without coding. Let's say you have an Amazon account and want to warm it up by making it automatically browse items, view details, etc. Then RPA is a great help in here. You can create a new task and select actions you want to include in this task, like opening a new tab, visit a website, etc. What would be easier is to use ready-to-go templates. In the RPA marketplace, you can find dozens of templates for different platforms. Choose one that fits your work best and add it as a task. Select the profile you want to work with and start the automation task. Now the RPA robot will automatically launch this profile and execute the task you have required. Maxize the power with team collaboration. Working in a team is easy in AdsPower. To add members to the plan, first create a group and assign it permissions. Then add a member, give him/her permissions to different profiles. In this way, you can share profiles with your team members and work with your team from one place. We also provide the operation log, which allows you to monitor logins and members' operations in order to reduce the risk of abnormal activity. Transfer profile to someone outside of your team. For account farmers and agencies, it's critical to ensure the accounts they sell or run are in a constant environment, without fingerprints or other information changed in the process of transferring. In AdsPower, we offer the ability to make this happen. Select the profile you want to transfer and click on Share. Choose what information you want to share with another user, just that simple.